Kipute, and I want to give it over to Prophet. Over to you for the tributes.
Amen. My tribute in the middle of our daily Nairobi hustle, faith allowed our path to grow. I met this ever smiling, tiny, shy young girl of the days. We connect instantly, and within weeks, we couldn't imagine life apart. We would meet, visit each other. I still remember the humble, small house you lived, warm but full of hope. But even then, I could already see the big dream in your eyes. One evening, I invited you. I was looking for a wife, a companion, a partner, a dreamer, and that is why within just a few months, we are already living as husband and wife. Hey, kusoma hii kitu. Mungu anisaidie. Received our first child so quickly after knowing each other. And that moment changed everything. And we stepped into it together. Before we knew it, we were parents of two charming babies. Every day, spirit and her gentle way. I see myself in her boldness. In Danny, I see my face, but your personality. That is what love does. It lives through children. It never dies. Even though our journey hard, it is fair. The love you had for our children spoke volume. I mattered in your life. You never denied them a father. You never denied them a father. You never poisoned their hearts. Kumaliza na maliza ini ya mwisho. I used to joke with you whenever the child visited me. Your Nico. Of course, always a lighter note, because deep down I respected the decision you made when you chose to move on with your life. I remember how we both trended years back. You had your story. I'm truly sorry that my brand, my name, and my drama put you through difficult moments. After all that, you overcome. You would still laugh about it, saying your brand grew even bigger despite the working woman, a forgiving soul, a loving mother, and a true friend. Hey. And above all, a woman who loved God with all her heart. You build your life with humility. You forgave more than most people ever could. And you and you showed the world that pain does not have to destroy you. You can use it to fuel, to climb higher. If there is, it is knowing that I might have failed you in many ways, but before spirit and before, but before spirit and before our family, I will heal our lovely children. I will step up. I'll be present for them. I will guide. Always wanted them to go.